it's possible for assets to be correlated to each other, but it may not always be consistently high like the previous examples. For example, certain currencies can be tied to the price of commodities like crude oil more so than other currencies. Though the price of crude oil can have a big impact on this currency pair, realistically there won't always be such high positive correlations. And it's possible this correlation can even go towards zero and dip into negative territory at times. And when the correlation stays close to zero, fluctuating into positive and negative territory, there can be not much correlation at all between the currency pair and prices of certain commodities for an extended period of time. Then here's a good example of a sustained negative correlation for a comparatively longer period. We can look at the correlation with another major commodity, gold futures prices, and see a similar scenario where there can generally be a positive correlation, but it won't always remain consistently high. And since it's not an overwhelmingly strong or weak correlation, it's quite normal to see periods where values fluctuate near zero or even dip below it for certain periods of time.